At number 10, we have Aldila Conrad Pune. At number 9, Nyong Roy, Radisson Blue Plaza, New Delhi Airport. At number 8, my personal favorite, Jamawar at the Leela Palace, Bengaluru. At number 7, Le Cirque Signature, the Leela Palace, Bengaluru again. Number 6, the China Kitchen Hyatt Regency, Delhi. I'd like to invite on stage Rashmi Uday Singh. At number 5, Adrift Kaya, JW Marriott, New Delhi, Aero City. Number 4, Wasabi by Morimoto, the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Number 3, Megu, the Leela Palace, New Delhi. At number 2, we have
Loya Taj Palace. Congratulations.
At number 1, we have
Avartana ITC Chola. Big hand for them, guys.
While Rashmi is on stage, I'd like to congratulate her for picking up the honors in Paris right now at La Liste, for the huge work that she's done for Hospitality Hope. Rashmi, can we hear it from you?
I'm not going to be a Mumia Mittu, but I really need help to spread the word for this absolutely from the heart passion project of mine, Hospitality Hope. So may I request on stage a gentleman who reminds us of James Bond with his bow tie, the one and only Sanjeev Kapoor. The only chef in the world who has his own food channel, the only chef in India who's always like, look at him.
Thank you very much. No, this is not just my channel. This is channel for the industry. This is a channel dedicated to the industry, which many years ago, my dear friend Sandeep was instrumental. नहीं तो ये channel होता नहीं था. So thank you, Sandeep, for and.
May I request on stage Jaideep Mehrotra, the globally acclaimed artist. He's here for a reason. He's helped me continuously, not just designing limited editions work of art, but also certificates. And here he has created a special limited edition work of art, food related of course, for our lovable living legend Sanjeev Kapoor. Jaideep. And this is for our wonderful Sanjeev Kapoor, for the living legend himself, the lovable living legend. Big hand for him, please. And while we're at it, may I please request Aliona to come on stage, please. One quick thank you to you. And finally, before we go off, we have to thank this one gentleman who has, with the power of his love, brought the whole hospitality industry together. I just want to read this out. He's a true pillar of the culinary world who, with his unwavering support, has nourished the industry's growth and innovation and given so many awards. He's really been the culinary kingmaker, of course, with your great, great, wonderful support and help. Can both of you please give this to him? Shafqat Ali. And this one is for Jaideep Mehrotra.